What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about 3 stocks to watch right now, guys. Listen, always trying to put you guys in something on the front end. So we got a few opportunities that have presented itself. Not that we need to act now, but we at least need to watch now, okay? Hey guys, listen, if I helped you out in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, I know it's hard to believe, but we are already at the end of another week, okay? Listen guys, we kicked off the month of September. We already off to a good start in terms of doing our thing over here. However, guys, I got some stocks that I need you to put on your watch list, okay? You may not act right now per se, okay? But I want you to watch these stocks. You can choose to get a position, at least nibble if you're gonna do something. But I want you to watch them because these particular stocks may be where the next opportunity lies in terms of some plays that can get us some good gains, whether it's options, swing trades, or what have you, okay? So listen guys, I'm gonna go through these today. Make sure that you guys are always building out your watch list. Always be moving forward on the journey, looking for new plays, looking for new opportunities, because there's always opportunities to make money in the stock market as long as you're willing to look, okay? Let's dive into it. Kicking things off with Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. Currently sitting at $172.20. It was down today, but up a little bit in the after hours. But check it out, guys. With the things that's happening in China, again, not that I want you to consider or touch this right now. I want you to watch it, okay, in case it comes down to levels that are even more attractive than this, okay? Now check this out. Over the last week, it rebounded a tad bit. This was just in the 160 level, okay? So maybe that 160 level is the level that it wants to bounce. But watch this. If you go out a month, it was down 11%, almost 12%, okay? And so sometimes I like to say a stock's down 20% is when I'll jump in. So I'm looking through the metrics, trying to see if and when it's down 20%, especially if it's a good company, because that just means I stand to make a 20% return on its rebound, okay? So Alibaba would be one, but mind you, you have the China situation floating around, so you don't have to act now. You can be hands off right now, but it's something I want you guys watching, keeping your eye on, seeing if you see any weakness, seeing if you're seeing the China finally get their act together, and then these stocks can begin to possibly wake up again. All those things are things you want to be looking at as an investor on your journey when you are watching stocks and looking for opportunity, okay? Next we have Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY. This one is currently sitting at $79.33. It was down 9%, almost 10% on the day. These are the kind of plays you want to look for in weakness. Good company. This is a company that have a pet. You pet lovers. I got a dog. Some of you might have cats. No matter what you got, check this out. You're gonna always need to feed your furry loved one, okay? And so they will always be, again, a priority, a staple of what you're going to do in terms of having dog food, cat food, and all that kind of stuff, okay? But with that being said, you want to see a company like this that, again, had good earnings but reported poor guidance, okay? They didn't talk good, they didn't have enough confidence in their voice, and so they got smacked down, okay? Now look, they're down 10% on the day. On the month, they're down 11%. If this comes down to maybe $65, you guys have this on your watch list, but that may be the time that you enter a position. Get you a position established. You guys already know the things we jump into around here, we get 125 shares minimum. So listen, do not buy this right now. Put it on your watch list and let it come down to maybe 67, 65, and you can get it lower than 65. That's even better, because this play is a $90 to $100 type of stock based off valuation, okay? However, sitting down here, even at this level, is pretty decent. But why buy here when it may have more room to fall, and you can just wait patiently and then buy this in the $60 range and ride it back up to 79, 89, 99. Okay, that's how you want to be strategic on your journey as an investor, and this is how you truly build wealth through your investments. Okay, and then last but not least is Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID. This play got smacked down a couple days ago. I saw it all the way down to $15, okay? And listen, this play has been good to some people and has crushed many more people. This is not a play that I recommend on a channel, but I always look for opportunities, and I know when something is oversold and beaten down way too much. Getting this play down to $15, that was too much, okay? That's why it bounced back so quick to $18. Now look guys, this could be something that you swing trade. This could be something that you look to establish a longer term position in for my long-term investors. You guys can be anywhere on the spectrum and do your thing in this, okay? But listen, you want to make sure that you are monitoring this, watching it, because just as much as it can go up, it also temporarily could be a bull trap and go right back down. So you want to just be mindful. Make sure that you are minimizing your risk, using stop losses on all these plays, just because you've seen the volatile nature of it. Look at this, down 11% in the last week. So this was just sitting at $20, $21. Now it's down here at 18, okay? And over the last month, it is down 20%. Remember I told you, I like to go for stocks that's down 20% because you know at bare minimum, you're gonna get a 20% return, if not more, on the rebound of these type of plays, guys. This is smart strategic investing, looking for value, looking for opportunities, and looking for beaten down stocks. That's what this watch list was today, guys. A list of plays that are beaten down and oversold that, again, may have more room to fall, but that's why you got to be patient and allow things to run its course. But then you be ready to pounce, guys, okay? Listen, I won't belabor the point, guys. Up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is oversold. Listen, guys, in the stock market, you are going to have what you know as overbought, and you're going to have what's known as oversold, okay? Overbought just means that people are going crazy and buying it up, and buying stocks is what drives the price up higher and higher, okay? But oversold is the reverse, okay? That means people are selling it off, and they might have particular targets, like if it hit 20, sell 1,000 shares. If it hit 18, sell 2,000 shares. If it hit 15, sell 5,000 shares. And that's how a stock plummets and goes all the way down to however far they can suppress it, okay? However, at some point you get to a level where they're doing too much. It's being way oversold, okay? And people can go crazy. A lot of times Wall Street is using algorithms, and so they can go crazy because it's not a human behind the scene doing all the selling. It's an algorithm just saying, oh, it hit 20, sell 3,000 shares. It hit 18, sell 5,000 shares. And so because of that, guys, you have a chance to take advantage of overbought situations. I try to present 3 that I at least want you to put on your watch list so that you can kind of see, if nothing else, just see where these plays finish the end of the year out at, okay, if you don't partake in them, okay? I wait personally for certain levels to be hit, and then I jump in doing my 125 shares or deal, okay? However, overbought simply sometimes can be an opportunity, because 9 times out of 10, guys, these stocks will climb back up. You seen when I showed you Alibaba, it had already came back from 67 to 72 just that quick. That's some good money for those of you that's in the stock market, okay? And so again, Lucid was just beat down to 15. It's already sitting at 18, possibly on its way to 20, okay? That's good money if you are the ones that's getting them when they're oversold, okay? So listen, guys, you got overbought, you got oversold. You just need to make sure that you understand what's what and you play it accordingly, because again, that's where the opportunity lies. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. and I'll see you all in the next one.